for the two of you who watch my videos, one of you is probably my brother, and then the other one of you, I have no idea. I don't know who watches my videos besides him, if anybody. But for those who watch my videos, some of you, again, the two of you who watch it, would know, may not know, that it has been just about 1 year since I posted. I can't remember the exact date I posted my first video to this channel. It was the end of June, and here we are. That was 2022, and here we are, end of June 2023. So, it's been 1 year, and I have a total of 144 subscribers, and I get like 63 views per video, which actually for me is better than nothing. Now, I've had criticism over the year. One person who said, well, you are new and you should do this with your videos and that with your videos and stop whining about other people. And that the whole point of the channel is I'm out here, I'm antisocial, I'm introverted. Oh, and then of course the person picked on the definition I use for introversion. My channel, my definition. If you don't like it, go make love to a dictionary. For those of you who don't know this, it's a humor channel. I am out here being an idiot. I mean, it's about me not liking people, how to hike and make trips without, you know, with few people as possible. And it's about me, you know, avoiding death because my own stupidity has put me in bad situations. For example, I just fell over a tree limb. So, that's what this channel is. And what I will say is, I don't really care. I mean, it would be great if I had viewers. It would be great if I had subscribers. But at this point, I'm middle-aged, I'm overweight, I can't stand being near other people, and I like dogs. I'm not exactly prime time. I'm not what all the young kids are into. So if I'm even getting 2 views or 3 views, for me that's a win. I mean, I like my videos. I'm entertained by my videos. I find myself hilarious. Whether other people do or not, that's up to them. If they want to be laughing at my videos, that's fine. If they want to laugh at me, that's fine. I don't care. But I am not tailoring my videos for any one audience. Well, actually I am. Me. As long as I'm entertained and as long as I'm happy, I will continue to make these videos. Now, would it be great if I found an audience of me's out there? Sure. Absolutely. And I'm sure somewhere there is an audience of me's. I'm sure there's an audience of disgruntled, depressed, anxious, angry, antisocial individuals who would find, you know, another introvert stumbling around the woods and doing dumb things to be absolutely hilarious. And eventually I may find that audience. But this is the art I choose to create. If somebody wants to be along for the ride, that's great. And I welcome them. However, I'm not going to bend over backwards. I make no money off of anything I do on the internet. Everything I do is absolutely commercial free. Everything I do is absolutely profit free. It costs me a lot of money to do this hobby. But again, it's a hobby. If people want to come along for the ride, they are welcome to do so. So, in conclusion, and yes, I had a venue change. There were people and now there's no people. In conclusion, happy anniversary. I'm gonna keep doing this. I enjoy it. Thank you if you like my videos. Thank you if you enjoy it. If you have any suggestions as far as places to go for it. I may or may not be able to do it. And if I can, I'll put up the video eventually because I'm the slowest editor in the world. But there will be more. There will of course be a lot more short videos, so if you haven't checked those out, check those out. Those are cross-posted. I put those on Instagram and TikTok as well. Again, I'm introverted.travels on both TikTok and Instagram. You'll get to see my macro photography, my landscape photography, and that's kind of cool, in addition to the video stuff. So, peace and love, and thank you for watching. And I'm just gonna keep going. I have some big stuff planned. I have some big, very dangerous hikes planned, things that may or may not kill me. And hopefully if I do die, I will catch it on camera, and I will leave further instructions to, you know, put it on YouTube, make sure that everybody gets to see nature taking care of me. So, until then, folks, stay introverted. And I'm, of course, going to see you on the next adventure.